What's up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how EboTown looks currently in the year 2025. Plus guys, it's also raining season here by the time I'm filming this video. So guys, without wasting my time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how it looks here in EboTown, the Gambia, West Africa. Anyways viewers, as you guys can see, guys, I will take a turn. And I will take a turn on here, and then I'm walking towards the main Trans-Gambia highway. Yeah, this is how EboTown looks in rainy season 2025, the Gambia, West Africa. Yeah, guys, it's windy out here. Hope the wind is not affecting the audio. Guys, this is how a local Gambian community looks. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, I'm just trying to find a perfect spot to be walking at so that I won't get into this water, this stand water here. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in EboTown. And then if you watch the video till here, make sure you like and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah, the plan is to end this video at the main Trans-Gambia highway, so I don't know how things will go. Before talking that much, let me show you guys how it looks here. Guys, the wind is too much. Guys, there's a Johnson over there, so when I get to that Johnson, I will take a turn on my left hand side and then walk straight to the main Trans-Gambia highway. Guys, the Gambia in rainy season is something else, especially EboTown. Yeah. Good. Guys, now I will keep on walking straight to the main highway. Yeah. Guys, this is Africa. Guys, this is how a local Gambian community looks. Yeah, currently I'm in EboTown. Yeah, this is EboTown, the Gambia. Yeah, this is how it looks here. This is how this neighborhood of EboTown looks. So you guys can see. I begin the video from deep inside EboTown, and then I'm walking towards the main Trans-Gambia highway. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boy is getting for you here in this part of the Gambia. Hope you guys are enjoying what your boy is getting for you here. I'm just walking around here in this neighborhood showing you guys how it looks. I want you to feel like you are walking. You are the one walking here. Yeah. That's why I'm not even talking much. I'm just walking around and show you guys. I always want you guys to feel like you are here with me. So there's a mechanic garage, as you guys can see. It's like a busy mechanic garage. Just take a look, guys. Finally guys, I'm on the main Trans-Gambia highway, and then here is called EboTown Junction. Finally guys, I'm on the main highway. This is how it looks here. And then guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in EboTown, the Gambia, West Africa. Peace.